everyone, can you hear me? Good evening, everyone. How are you? Can you hear my voice? I think in the last session we have discussed about, I think you all are experts. Try to write these 5 lines of codes 100 times. That is very, very important for you. Register the driver with driver manager, get the connection object, get the statement object, pass the query, execute the query. So generally, we already know database means the place where the data is saved permanently in the form of tables, which is collection of rows and what? Columns. So we'll try to interact with the database to perform different types of operations. Mostly what operations we are performing? CRUD operations. Mostly we'll perform different types of operations. Yes or no? With when you interact with the database. 101 Anil and 20,000. Here some data is there. Here 102. Here Sunil, and here 30,000. Here 103. Here Ajay, and here 40,000. Something like this. So in database, the data will be stored in the form of tables, which is collection of rows and columns. Mostly we'll try to interact with the database to perform different types of operations. What type of operation will perform? One is DDL operations, like Dr. Cat, drop, create, alter, and truncate. Another one is DML operations, like UDI, insert, update, and what? Delete. Another one is DRL operations, data retrieval language commands, that is select operation. Okay, na? Select operation. So generally when you perform DDL operation, you have to use statement object. Whenever you want to perform DML operation, you have to use prepared statement object. Whenever you want to perform DML operation, you have to use prepared statement object. Whenever you perform DRL operation, you have to use again statement object. DRL operation also you have to use statement object only. Okay, na? And in order to execute the DDL queries, you have to use which method? Execute method. If you want to execute DML queries, insert, update, delete, you have to use execute update method. And whenever you want to perform DRL operation, you have to use what? Execute query method. These three operations you can perform. Yes or no? Did you understood everyone? DRL operation also use statement object only. Result set I will tell. Result set is not come here. Only three types of statement, prepared statement. Another one is callable statement. Callable statement I will teach with JSP. Okay, now so tomorrow we are starting JSP. Today we will complete this select operations. Tomorrow I will discuss about JSP. JSP along with JSP, I'll try to cover callable statement also and some JDBC examples with the JSP and JSTL tags and session tracking in JSP and the other topics we'll try to discuss. To execute stored procedures. To execute stored procedures, we'll use callable statements, stored procedures and functions. Servlets completed. Servlets also I will cover later. Separate batch I will announce. 4 o'clock. We'll plan. I will update you. I will update. Without servlets also you can learn JSP. No problem. Servlets I will after in middle of collections batch something like that I will announce servlets also. Before Pongal we will complete advanced Java. Before January Pongal, we will complete advanced Java, that is JSP. Servlets also I will try to complete. Already some people listen, but anyway, second time I will teach. Okay, na? Okay. Now let us see here. Now actually we already done all these steps very clearly. We have done type 4 driver we are using, that is thin driver, Oracle dot, ODBC dot, driver dot, Oracle dot, Oracle driver, JDBC dot driver. That driver we already know, thin driver. So now our requirement is what you know. For example, I will ask one small requirement. Enter employee. I want to display the employee details. Okay, na? I want my requirement is enter employee number. Here I have one search button is there. I want to get the employee name as well as salary. This is my requirement. We'll do this program in JSP, but still To understanding purpose, I have given one requirement like this. Employee number as well as salary. Okay, na? So when the user will enter the employee number, and this is your server actually. Just I'm telling for okay, na? Step number one, what to do? Register the driver. Register driver with driver manager. Register driver with DM. Driver manager. Step number two, get the connection object. Step number three, pass the get the statement object. Get which object? Statement object. Step number four, pass the query. Pass the query and what? Execute the query. Execute the query by using what? Execute method. Execute query method. Execute query method. At the time of invoking this method only, you have to pass the query. Mostly, this method is recommended for select command. And once when we execute the query, so here I will try to tell. Are you following everyone? Whenever we pass the query, then database server will execute the query. Database server will execute the query and send the result of the query. Send the result of the query to web server. Send the result of the query to web server. Whenever we pass the query, what will happen? Database server will execute the query and send the result of the query to web server. So we need to store that result of the query. The result of the query is also nothing but one object or collection. What? Because always the database will give you the data. The result is nothing but data. The data we need to store in what? Variable. If the result is single value, store the result in variable. If the result is multiple row, single row, or a single row, or a single column, or multiple columns, or entire table, or entire table data, then we need to store. Then we need to store the result in collection. So what is the meaning here means what will happen when we invoke execute query method? Execute query method will return result set object. Which object? Result set object. We already know one point now. What is that point? In advanced Java, by invoking the method, we will get what? Object. When we invoke the method, that method will return the object. And we have to create what? Reference. We have to create what? Reference. So here what to do? Result set rs is equal to st dot execute what? Query of, in double quotes you have to pass the query. Pass the query. Did you understood? Database here. Are you following? Result set means when you invoke this execute query method, what it will do? It will pass the query to the database server. Database server will execute the query and it will return one collection. Collection is also nothing but one object which will having some group of objects. So what is my query? Select star from EMP. Here I will enter the 101. Based on now I want to get the employee details. So what is the query I will write here? Select star from EMP where E number is equal to 101. So this is my query. So whenever I will try to pass the query, what will happen? The query will get executed and the result of the query will send back to the server. The result of the query will send back to the server. Now here, what is the result of the query? I told collection. Collection is nothing but what? Group of objects. So the result of the query is single row. Single row. Otherwise, single row means the result is stored in one object. The result is stored in one object. And in object, the values are stored. E number 101. Here E name. Here Anil. Okay, na? E name. Here Anil. Here salary. Here 20,000. Whatever it may be, one point you have to understand. There is no direct communication between browser and database. Browser to server, server to database, database to server, server to browser. So database will execute the query and the result of the query is given to who? server, and that result is stored in one collection. Now in this collection only single object is there. If my query is something like this, if my query is select star from EMP, if my query is select star from EMP, so what will happen? The result of the query is multiple rows. Means your total database data will store in one collection. So how many rows are there? 3 rows. So how many objects? 3 objects. This total data is stored in 3 objects. And in this object, the data will be stored. Like e number here 101, like e name here Anil, like salary that is 20,000. Now you can ask me, sir, what you mean to say? You are saying that database data will store in what collection? Yes. Array of objects, no arrays again. When you go for collections, no array. It is a collection only. Collection is nothing but group of objects. Array is also one type of collection. What is the difference between one collection and another collection is arrangement of data is different. Collections purpose is to store group of objects. Whether it may be lista, setta, mappa,
Session
whatever
order.
it may be. That is secondary thing here. I am telling that collection main purpose is to store group of what?
Objects.
Objects. Are you following everyone? Now, actually, in olden days,
Yes, sir.
what is the problem with JDBC? Your server will communicate with the database several times to perform operations. To reduce this traffic, ORM came. And here also the same problem. Your browser will communicate with server to get single values only. You cannot directly send the total data to browser at a time. Browser will communicate with server every time. So because of that, unnecessarily burden on server will be increased. That is the reason nowadays what happened. This client-side frameworks like Angular, React.js became very popular. Now what will happen, you know, this total data is converted into JSON. That is the current trend. What is the difference between old web application and the new web application style? Can anyone tell me? What I told, did you understood?
Data.
Database will give the result to who?
Server.
Server. Server will store that result in what? In server, the data is stored in the form of what?
Collections.
Collection. What is that collection name?
Result set.
Result set is a predefined collection. You don't keep your hand inside that result set. But what is the problem, you know, in olden application, like advanced Java, I'm telling, advanced Java problem is what, you know, your browser will communicate with server, and now I have to read the data from this result set and display in where?
Browser.
Display in the browser or not? So I want to get the data from result set and display in the browser. In browser, let us assume I have one table is there. I want to display the data in the form of table. Which table? HTML table. Which table? HTML table. Now the problem is browser must go to the server every time to catch single values. Now first you can go to the server and bring this 101, keep here. And again go to server, bring Anil. Again go to server, bring 20,000. Again go to server, bring 102. Again Sunil. Again 30. Again like this. The communication between browser and server will be what? More. Because of that, the network traffic will be increased and the performance will be decreased. Did you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you develop the total application in advanced Java, total application code will execute on where? Server. Network traffic will be increased. Burden on the server will be increased. Performance will be decreased. Now, if you take a heavy traffic websites like Amazon, some millions of users will connect to the server at a time. When Amazon big sale is going on, Amazon related websites per one big sale, they have to do minimum 800 to 1000 crores of business, millions of some crores of business they will do. So meanwhile, if one customer will transaction is not processing, and Amazon website consists of lot of images and photos only, the page loading will take more time. Unnecessarily burden on the server will be increased. The performance will be what? Decreased. This is in olden days, okay, because people used very less mobiles. People are then burden on the server is very less. Olden web applications, internet usage is also very less. People use internet only to check their mails. But nowadays, when Jio entered in the market, entry ticket is free, exit is not free. Okay, na? Jio entry ticket is free. There is a big Jew is there. No entry. Entry is free. Anyone can enter in the Jew. But exit, they kept one lion. Okay, na? If you want to exit from that Jew, 500 rupees ticket. Otherwise, you will become the food for that lion. That is the plan of what? Geo. Did you understood? Initially, they have given Jio internet free usage. Usage means everyone addicted for Geo. And then now maximum 70% of mobiles network is Geo only. Yes or no? So once when Geo became popular, what happened? People are using mobiles, internet, YouTube. When I'm going to saloon shop, that guy is asking, sir, how to install Amazon in my mobile. He is asking that guy. I told that Amazon Prime account is 1000 rupees. I told. He told that I already have account, sir. First you tell me, I know how to operate. He is telling. If you go to any market also, everyone is using mobile. My mother is also using smartphone. She's asking to me to recharge internet and WhatsApp. I told it is very difficult to operate WhatsApp, but she's telling I know how to operate. First you do 300 rupees recharge, she is telling. Is it
Trend is
clear?
changed completely.
So trend is totally changed. People are totally what? What is increased? Devices are
Updated.
increased. Devices are increased. 80% of users who are consuming the applications are through mobile only. Mobile is dominating. Only the employees are using what? Laptops, desktops. The bank employees are using desktops and laptops. The bank customers are using mobile. The Amazon customers are using mobile. The employees who are working in Amazon, they are using desktop. So now the application style is totally changed. One server, multiple devices. The application, when you develop an application, if you want to do all these things, you have to join for Spring and Spring Boot. So within 1 week, I'll start what? Spring. So try to attend Spring. Travel along with me until the end. Definitely you will get what? A good job with good package. Don't bargain for this 2000, 3000 rupees. Minimum fees only with good quality we are giving. Okay, na? The bullet point is important. Okay, na? No need to line 100 pages of story is not popular. One line of quotation became popular. Swami Vivekananda, these all became popular with these quotations only. Quotation is always one line. Story is 100 pages, book is there. Nobody don't have that 100 pages book. Don't have that time, don't have to imagine also. So what the point you understood now, tell me? Browser will communicate with server. If any interviewer will ask you, what is the problem with JDBC? Browser will communicate with server every time. Every time, single values only you can send it to what? Browser. Because of that, unnecessarily burden on server will be increased. But what now the current trend is what you know? Whatever
JSON.
the data that is sending by who? Database, the data is stored in where? Collection. Immediately this collection is converted into what?
JSON.
JSON and send through that JSON to who?
Browser.
Browser. Don't write any logic for loop, if, while, nothing is required. That code executing where? Browser. 100 users means how many browsers?
100.
100 browsers. How many laptops?
100.
100
100
laptops.
devices.
Device or laptop, whatever it may be. Now you are talking about web application. No, don't talk about device. It will not support your advanced Java. Spring will not support mobile. Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
If you develop any application
Yes, sir.
advanced Java, it will run only in where?
Laptop.
Laptop means browser. Mobile also it will run, but mobile nobody will use what? Mobile you will use browser, you will use the app.
Apps.
App.
App. Mobile browser is a weak device. Mobile is a very lightweight device. Are you following everyone?
Yes, sir.
Mobile don't have that power. Did you understood? Mobile app is very powerful. Okay, that is separate story. Are you following everyone?
Yes, sir.
Database will
Yes,
give
sir.
the result. Now here, sir, now I have one more doubt, sir. You told that browser will communicate with server and bring the single values only, no? Now how server will communicate with database? Server also will communicate with what? Database, and server also will fill the data in where?
Collection.
Collection, single values only.
Using
Yeah.
servlets.
If you use it, no servlet here. Here I'm not talking about servlet. Server to database, servlet will come, JDBC will come.
JDBC.
JDBC.
When you communicate with the database through JDBC, JDBC also will send single values to who?
Collection.
Server.
Server. Then also button will be increased or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now to control, to improve this performance, again what came?
ORM.
ORM came. That we will learn in Spring.
Okay. So JSON also come in Spring.
JSON will come with Spring Boot with Angular integration.
Okay.
I will teach Spring now. Next Spring is MVC. After Spring, we'll go for what? Spring Boot with Angular and React JS separately.
Okay.
I will only teach Angular. I will only teach microservices. I will only teach integration gateways. We can play design patterns, design principles, everything JSON. XML, REST APIs. To travel with me blindly, believe me. I know the pulse of student. I know the pulse of what? Companies. I worked as a corporate trainer also in several companies. I know the mindset of the companies, and I trained some minimum 2 to 3 lakh students throughout the globe until of my experience. My minimum batch is 1,000 students. Because of this lockdown, we are having very limited 100, 150. This is not nothing actually. My minimum single batch, minimum 800 students into daily. I will teach 6 batches. How much? Roughly. Roughly, worst case
50,000.
6,000. Worst case 3,000 students per 2 months. Like that you count. So you don't worry. The point is what the company is expecting is common sense. Employee must have common sense. We don't want the employees who have more knowledge on theory. Theoretical, this now also I'm teaching theory only now. Is it theory or not?
Yes.
Yes.
This theory is important. Don't learn history of Java, version of Java, father of Java, mother of Java. Yesterday,
Brother of
one interview I have seen. He has given one question. I really shocked. Identify the motherboard. He has given 4 photos. He showed in that 4 photos. He given option. Option 1 motherboard. Option 2 fatherboard. See,
Keyboard.
company's mind also not that much strong. IT companies also, they are also by hearting only. That question paper framing is also worst. That is why after joining also they are expecting training from the developers or trainers like us or other scenarios. So what I'm telling here, tell me all of you one point. Point number 1 is what?
browser communicates.
Database also will give the result to result set single values all at a time.
Single value.
Single values.
Single values means what is the problem? Again, the burden on the database is increased or not?
Database sitting is.
So now in ORM, what happened? ORM, what it will do? It will give the data in the form of objects. It will not give single values. It will
Total
directly
record.
send object or collection directly to who? Server.
Server.
So that reduce the burden on what? Database. To control the burden on database, what came? Tell me.
ORMs.
ORM came, very good. To control the burden on this server, what came?
JSON.
JSON,
Angular frameworks.
What came? Angular. And when the front end is Angular, directly server will send the data in the form of what?
JSON.
JSON, not single values. So front end is Angular, back end is Java.
Not set it.
Java will communicate with the database through ORM. That is hotcake in the market. Spring Boot, that is. Or microservices. Full stack Java developer. Are you following everyone?
Yes, sir.
And that too will go for cloud deployments and everything. Common sense, okay. Just 10% if you understood also, that is okay. So now my data is stored in where? Okay, now we are at which level? Spring Boot level or advanced Java level?
Advanced Java
Advanced.
level.
Advanced Java level. Okay. To tell these points, no need to spend 8 months, 1 year. Just common sense. Browser, server, database. Browser will speak with server. Server will speak with the database. In what scenarios? Whenever you want to perform insert to delete to update. Then the communication from browser to server, server to database. User will enter the values in the browser and these values will go to server. Inside server by using JDBC we'll send the values to what?
Database.
Database. And sometimes we'll perform which operation? We must get the data from database to what?
Server.
Server.
Server. Server to what?
Browser.
Browser. That is for that what type of scenario? Select operation. Which operation?
Select.
Select operation. Whenever you want to perform which operation?
Select.
Select operation. Advanced Java will complete by this before Pongal. By January 10th, we'll complete Advanced Java. JSP along with what? Servlets. Today JDBC is completed. Tomorrow we'll start JSP. Some basic programs in JSP I will teach some 3 to 4 days. After that we'll do JDBC with JSP. After that session tracking. That's it. Now you tell me, now my data is in where? Okay, leave about this JSON. This JSON will not work in where?
Advanced Java.
JDBC.
Advanced Java. Advanced Java, no JSON, no what?
ORM.
ORMs.
ORM.
Only JDBC with servlets or JDBC with JSP. That's it. Okay, now this is trailer. Movie will launch after 1 week or 10 days. Ticket is
Blockbuster.
blockbuster movie, but ticket is also very less. But you people are waiting for whether the movie will release in Amazon Prime so that we can watch freely.
No, sir. We want to watch Prasad big screen.
If you want to watch in big screen with DTS sound and with the good breakdance and fights, action scenes and everything, attend that class also parallel.
Sir, is there any project after completing Advanced Java?
I will teach project also with business analyst skills, requirement gathering techniques, SDLC methodologies. You blindly believe me, yaar. That's it. How you believe your girlfriend? Believe me like that.
Yes, sir.
Will you believe or not? In the same manner, believe me also. Definitely you'll get the job here. Now your data is stored in where?
Database.
Database came to where?
Collection.
Server.
What is that
Server.
collection name? What is that collection name?
Result set.
Now what is your target?
Send to browser.
Send it to browser. Read the, now your data is in collection now. Read the data from collection and display in where?
Browser.
Browser.
Now the point will come into the picture. Actually, we already discussed about which topics? We already discussed about what?
Result set.
We already discussed about which topic?
Loops.
Loops. Which topic?
Loops.
Loops. Loops are basically divided into how many types?
3 types.
Okay, 2 types for time in. One is which loop?
For loop.
Range based loop, for loop, and other one is what? While loop.
While loop. Do while loop.
Leave about do while. For loop and what?
While loop.
While loop.
Yes. So when to go for loop?
When you
We
don't
know the range.
When you know the range.
know the range, but for while loop, when we don't know the how many times the
Range.
Yes, very good boy. Now this is my array. Now what is the size of the array? The size of the array is what?
5.
The size of the array is what?
Fixed.
Fixed. If I want to create an array with size what? Create an array with size 5. With size what?
5.
At the time of creating array, size is mandatory. Exactly you can store how many values?
5 values.
5 values. Exactly you
0,
can
1,
store
2, 3,
5
4.
values. 0, 1 and here what?
2, 3, 4.
2, here 3 and here what? 4. Okay na? And here for example I have some values 10, 20, 30, 40. Some data is there in this array. So whenever you want to read the data from the array, you have to use which loop?
For loop.
That's because the range of the array is fixed.
Fixed.
But now generally when you go for collection, collection size is not fixed. That is the difference between array and what?
Collection.
Collection. For example, now my data is coming from database. I don't know that how many records are there in database. Now I have written manually, so you can tell there are 3 records are there.
Okay.
Now I told manually that
So
I
use while loop.
3 records are there, I told. Sir, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now generally database, we don't know that how many records are there. Some millions of records are there.
Yes.
Or some 100 records are there. Whatever it may be. Did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
So we now might whatever the data that is available in database is stored in where? Collection. Now I want to read the data from the collection or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In collection, you know that how many objects are there or you don't know?
Don't know.
Don't know.
If you want to read the data from the collection, use which loop?
While loop.
While loop.
While loop. Did you understood?
Yes.
Yes,
Most of you
sir.
want to read the data from database and you have to use this while loop. This is the story of result set. Now let us see the
Yes.
program. Select query. Now tell me step number 1. Register
Register
Load in
the
the
driver.
Are you practicing all these programs?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You practice, you by heart date, but and again when I start JSP, I will again start doing the steps. Okay, na? Step number 1, register the driver with the driver manager. Step number 2, get the
Establishing
connection
the-
object.
Connection object. Next statement object.
3, get the statement object. Step number 4, execute the.
Execute the query.
See here, statement object, select query also use which object?
Statement.
Again, I will tell, I will keep some FAQs like that, and again, I will tell some complicated points. First of all, the main points you have to understand. Okay, na? And then execute the query. So, whenever we execute the query will get executed, and the result of the query is stored in where?
Collection.
RS.
Collection. And the name of that collection is what?
RS. Result set.
Now in result set you have one method called which method? Is the
Next
collection
method.
method? No. What this next method will do, it will move the pointer to the next position. Which position?
Next question.
Next position. Automatically it will move the pointer to the next position. And if the next position is having any data, then it will return true. Otherwise it will return what?
Can the
False.
So any object is existing or not existing?
Existing.
So it will
True.
return what? True. So while condition is what?
True.
Come inside. Now in this one here you can see in this object each and every column can be identified by using index number, and here always the index number starts from what? 1.
1.
Index number starts from what here?
1.
Actual, because these collection index number start from 0, object index number column 1, column 2, column 3, something like that. So now here you can read the value. First value is what value? Integer or string?
Integer.
Integer.
Get int of 1. You will get 101. And here
String.
String.
get 20,000. So the output
Salary 20,000.
so the output will be 101 Anil 20,000.
20,000.
Okay, na? And again this loop will rotate. Again call which method?
Next method.
And
True.
again it will move the pointer to which position?
Next position.
Again
position.
102 Sunil 30,000. Again move the pointer to which position?
Third position.
3 Ajay 40,000. Again move the pointer to which position? Next position. Next position there or not there?
Not there.
So it
Returns
will
false.
False.
false. So come outside of the loop. That's
And print.
it. Sir, no.
Yes,
Execute this program. Here you can see. Right click, run as Java application.
Java application.
Now here you will see directly you got the output. 101 Satya 1000. Because these values are not given properly in my database, I will try to delete the data. Truncate table name. What is the table name?
EMP.
Two records are delete that. I think here first I need to connect semicolon I didn't get. Okay, very good. Table truncated. Again here I'll try truncate means it will delete the table data. Select start from EMP, not the design. And again you can insert the record. Insert into EMP values of 101, comma,
Anil.
comma 20,000, Sir, who is this Anil, sir? Every time you will write Anil, Anil, Sunil.
Sunil.
Your best friends.
That is
Your
my
best student.
not best student. Just it became a habit actually for me. Anil and Sunil from so many days. So every example, whether I will teach Java or .NET or Python, this time I will write
Okay.
our friend name, that is Harshit. I will write Harshit. I am writing Harshit. Salary must be greater than all these. Okay,
1 lakh.
not that is 1 lakh.
30 crores.
Whatever it may be. Knowledge is very important. Everyone must gain the knowledge. Yes or no?
Yes.
Press enter. Now let us see here again. You run this project. As it is a console application, every time what to do? Close. Every time you have to close and again what?
Run.
Run as Java application. If it is a web application, no need to close. Directly the browser values will refresh. What happened here? Stop debugging.
Save once.
Stop debugging. Stop select query. Relaunch select query. Wait, again now I will try to run as. Run as what?
Java application.
Java application. Where is the type? Close the command prompt, I think. Sir, no. అదే
Octal number, Arshit.
Okay, everyone. See, every time in database, what happen means whenever you perform any operation, you have to commit. What is the meaning of commit? Means commit is used to save the changes permanently. Commit is used to save the changes permanently. If you want to write commit along with your Java program only, what to do? If you want to write commit in your Java program only, what to do means you have to apply transactions in JDBC. How to work with the transactions in JDBC, we'll try to learn along with JSP. Transaction commit commands will be there. Commit and what? Rollback. Commit
Save
and
points.
commit rollbacks.
Save point.
Will you try this program, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try this program, all of you. Select command. Select all the records. I'll send this program. Are you following, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Select all the records. And here what to do after this, you can write one more program. If you want to return a single value, see here. I want to read the input from the scanner, enter the employee ID, store that employee ID in one variable, and then register the driver, and then get the connection object, get the statement object, execute the query. Okay, now you can write, now the result is what? Single row, na, single column, multiple rows. Select star from EM.
Single.
Where E number is equal to 101.
Single row.
Single row. So no need to write while loop. If you write while loop also, the loop will rotate how many times?
Only one time.
Only one time. Otherwise you can use what? If also. Are you following, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try this program also. These two, with this I'm signing off from JDBC. Tomorrow freshly we'll start what?
JSP.
JSP. Okay, na? And again JDBC will again continue along with what?
Servlets.
JSP. Again, I will teach JDBC with JSP. Because core Java, until now we learned core Java. In core Java, we learned what? JDBC, just for practice purpose. Application point of view, we will use this JDBC along with what? JSP. That is real time. Any more queries you have?
So in the second state, in the second program, right? There is prepared statement. We should do statement, right?
You can use anything. Yes, prepared statement or statement you can use. Both it will work.
Okay, sir.
But what is the main point with statement means? I will tell JSP. I'll clarify about that point. You can
Sir,
use
in
prepared-
this connection.
See. Yeah. One point I will try to tell. See, very good question you asked. The point I'm trying to tell is, whenever you want to pass any values at runtime, if you want to pass any values, then you have to use what? Prepared statement. See, if my query is select star from EMP, then use what? Now here input values are there or not there?
Not there.
So use which object?
Create statement.
Normal statement reference I'm talking, statement. And in this example, select star from EMP where EID is equal to, whenever you want to pass any parameters.
Prepare statement.
Stored procedures you have to use
Callable statement.
Callable statement.
That is why in the previous example we use which object?
Statement.
Because select star from EMP, here no parameters. Whenever you want to pass any parameters, then you have to use what?
Prepare statement.
Yes, that's it. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.